This is a tutorial for your no-handed jade split, so you should definitely already have some sort of jade variation in order to perform this move safely and effectively. So we're going to go up to an invert and then sit up as though we're going to go into a flatline scorpio, but we don't actually change the legs. So that's the key point of information. Also, you need to make sure that your thigh is available for grip and also the side of your body. So if you are like me and always wear high-waisted shorts, you will definitely need to pull them down, otherwise you might slip a little bit. So let's talk about that together now. So we're going to go up into an invert. I'm just going to go straight through an outside leg hook to sit up, but if you want to go into a crucifix and then lift up, that's also fine. So we're there, take a breath in, lift up. So find that leg hooked, you sit up. You bring this knee back, so that's what's going to happen. You bring the knee back, lower down slightly, make sure that top leg's hooked. And then from there, you grab this foot, making sure the weight is still in that bottom arm. There's a slight bend in the elbow, so you're not overlocking it. Then you extend. So I've got hold of the outside of the foot. You extend, and then if you feel okay there, you're pulling this leg across your body. You take the other leg off. And then if that feels okay, you're going to take this leg away, and then from there, off. And hold, hand back on, leg back on, release, to stand up. Okay, so I'm going to walk through that one more time just on the floor, so you know where you're going with your legs. And if you want to do this with me, then come on the floor with me and try. So we've gone up, the outside leg is hooked, really important. This leg comes back, you grab the outside, this hand will be on the floor, release, release. So even if you try that on the floor now, you can feel how much that thigh needs to be in contact with the pole, as well as the side of the body just there. So try a few times just from the floor, and watch the video a few times over if you're feeling like a little bit unsure. But I think the thing is with this move is that you've just got to keep doing it for it to get comfortable. So at first when I did it, it was like, oh my god, the pain. But now I don't even feel it at all. So you will get to that stage eventually. So enjoy this gorgeous split.